At what point do a woman become selfish in marriage? Many men do complain that their wife is so self-centered, selfish, she only cares about herself. She doesn't show concern anymore that she has changed. This is not the woman they married. While you're complaining these things, have you called your wife and asked her, what is the problem? It's not about when you guys have misunderstanding that you now start telling her all these things. We are humans. Sometimes in your quiet time, sometimes when you guys are happy, you can call her and tell her that, babe, you don't change, you'll not be like this. What's happening now? You know, sometimes couples need this kind of talk within themselves. And here
So
is one factor. When it comes to a point in marriage, in a woman's life, that she starts second guessing herself in everything she does. Like when she wants to do something, she will not start saying, second guessing herself and saying to herself, "Ah, I don't even know my husband will like this one. I don't even know if I do this one, I don't even know if my husband will like it. Which one will I do now?" That is second guessing. She can no longer take decision and do something that when you're not there and when you come back, you appreciate her and tell her, yes, you did well, oh, but this is what you would have done. But when you come back, you will now start um blaming her and telling her that you know try you know do this one well, no be like this you suppose do am. That's one point. Second point, when a woman lost her self-esteem and her self-confidence, and she now discovered that she wants to be a better version of herself. Yes, she no longer cares about anybody. That's how when you see a woman become selfish, she wants to do the things that she now loves. Now you'll see her start taking care of herself, self-care. She always wants to look good now, not even for the husband again, for herself. She has discovered that it is only her that owns her happiness, right? And she's tired of this back boozer, front and back quarrel every time. It's understanding that you guys are having. That's another point. Thirdly, woman figures out that her husband is cheating on her. He has talked to him. He continues, and the disrespect is still there, right? And she just wants to stay in the marriage because the marriage is not that toxic, you know. She wants to stay in the marriage because of her children. You now start observing that she will start becoming selfish. Yes, she no even longer cares about you, the man. Whether you come back or you no come back or you no concern her. Any day when she see you, she will say thank God. Any day when she no see you, she say, I know where you dey. You dey with your side chick. Sometimes she might even know your side chick, but she doesn't care anymore. What she cares about is herself and her happiness. These are some points that makes a woman to become selfish in marriage. And these are the things that, sometimes it makes men feel bad. But men, you guys are the problem here. So if you're a man and you're in one of this category that I've mentioned now, you're the one you're making your wife to, overthinking every time you come back, your wife will not have peace. Hmm. Better change your because when a woman becomes selfish in marriage, it go hard. It go hard before that woman will change. If it's your first time of coming across this channel, please I want you to hit the subscribe button. Take me to this channel. Here we talk all about marriage and relationship matters. I do a lot of reaction videos whereby we bring real life stories, real life experiences, and we discuss about it so that you can as well learn. Talk about parenting tips, motherhood, self-development for women, self-elevation tips. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to thank you for always returning to watch my video. You guys are the real G. You guys are the ones that are encouraging me to create more content. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.